I guess so. I'm videotaping it. Wait till you see it. I have never seen... It's like he really... But he chews Annabelle's ears. And I notice he tries to chew on their ears. But not meanly. But he chews her hair off and he cleans Annabelle. He does that to Dashwood, too. See, any of them. Chloe, if he's laying with him, all of a sudden he'll start cleaning him and loving on him like he's a parent. Bug, what are you doing? I'm videotaping you. He's cleaning their bottoms. He's going through the... He's cleaning them. It's weird. Cleaning them. He'll pick them up now when they come out. Yeah, he'll pick them up and put them in the box when they fall out. He wants to be a mama. You got company? Oh. I tell you about Granny. Yeah. I had a green leather recliner we just got rid of for $20. Yep, got rid of it for $100. What are you doing, bud? Girls, huh? Uh-huh. Scott wants to move us to Paducah. Scott wants to move us to Paducah. To take care of Mama, I'm not going. I'm not going up there. I hate Paducah. There is nothing there. I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it, but there's nothing there. Yep.